So if you don't know the tricks, pulling out a connector link can be a challenge. Maybe you try to use a screwdriver or something, but I found the easiest way is to use needle nose vice grips. And what you do is you find the open end of the connector link, which is this end. You can see that this is open on this side. And what you do is you grab it, so you just get the clip and the end of the clip on the solid part of the connector link here, and then you push on it. So you can see that the whole thing slid back, the whole clip slid back, and then you can pretty easily get it free once it's finally loose from the connector link. So once you get the clip off, then the next step is to pull the side solid piece off. And it seems, once again, if you just kind of rock it back and forth, it just comes right off. So now, just again with the needle nose vice grips, and then you've got it free. And you can take your chain right off. There it is. So we got the connector link put back on, got the clip on the outside, and the chain is, everything's going back this way, pointing this direction. So you always make the clip so that the closed end is the direction that the chain is traveling. So we got the clip sitting in here, so it's just started. And we grab our pliers, our needle nose pliers again, and you grab it from the edge and slide it right up on just like that. And your clip is set. Just make sure it's pushed all the way in. Usually I grab the pliers and just kind of clip down on it like this just to make sure everything's set properly. That's the tricks.